Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install Rapid Streamz to your Firestick or Android TV. Rapid Streamz is an app that a lot of people use to watch live sports for free. It's an amazing app and it has loads of content. I just had to blur out my screen right here because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in the app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just have to go to search on your device. There it is, open the search bar and start typing Downloader in the search. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Now we click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Let's do it. Click on that button with the gear icon. Then scroll down and open My Fire TV. So click on it. And from here, you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options which have appeared right here. So we need to open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Spain right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open the Downloader application, wait until it actually loads. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's really important. Make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. After that, here in the search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, your code is not going to work. And then we have to click on Go. Now, in around 5 seconds, the website is going to open up for you. And then when the website opens, you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. And here from the list of categories, you have to click on Live TV. There it is, click on it. Then a huge list of apps is going to open up for you. And from here, you have to find Rapid Streamz and click on it. So let's find it. Yep, there it is, Rapid Streamz. That's exactly the app we are looking for. So now we have to click on it. And then a new web page is going to open up for you. Then once again, we have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button. That's the button that we have to use. But if for some reason it doesn't work for you and the download doesn't start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So we click on it, and now the download should start in a couple of moments. As you can see, it's happening really fast. Then we have to click on install and wait until Rapid Streamz is installed to your Firestick device. Usually it takes a couple of moments. After that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we have erased unnecessary files from our device and saved some space on our Firestick. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Then scroll down, and here at the bottom you'll find Rapid Streamz, which is the app we downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Rapid Streamz is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of service totally for free. And of course, subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks. See you next time. Bye bye.